Hi, you guys. Welcome back to the Firefighters Financial Toolbox. Today, we're talking about a new product that one of my viewers mentioned to me. I've done a series on high yield savings accounts and how our money isn't just not worth much now. Anyway, today I was informed of one called Varo Bank, Varo. I'd never heard of it, so I went to NerdWallet and I'm looking at the 10 best savings accounts for February of 2020. And if we scroll down, we see Varo Bank savings account at 1.92%, which is a pretty good rate right now. You notice that's the highest of all of them listed, but yet it's all the way down here. So I decided to do a little bit of investigation on it. So let's go to their site. What if Varo Bank account actually helps you? Now, this is another online bank, you guys, and it says here no monthly fees, automatic high interest savings. We do banking that helps you win. A Varo Bank account, get an online checking account with no monthly fees or minimum balance, and start getting paid up to 2 days early. Asterisk, we'll look into that, and enroll in a no fee overdraft. The Varo savings account earn high interest savings with no fees or minimums and automatic saving tools. Also has a Varo Visa debit card. It's not a prepaid card. This is a debit card. Says no fees at 55,000 plus all the all-point ATMs worldwide. Save without thinking. Save your pay. It takes a percentage of your Varo Bank account deposits and automatically transfers it to your savings account. You get to choose a percentage. So you can put it on and it will automatically take some of the money out of your checking account and save it for you. That's kind of nice. Make deposit and transfer. Set up direct deposit and get paid up to 2 days early. Deposit checks easily. So they do have a app as well, it looks like. This is relatively new, and remember, this is all online. Deposit cash at 90,000 plus retail locations using Green Dot Reload at the register. I don't know what that is. Add all external accounts to see your info and see everything makes transfers in the app. So it can show, it looks like, it doesn't say if the checking account has a bill pay function or not, but we'll check into that. So let's take a look at their savings account. Okay, because that's what we're really about on this, right? Saving money. Earn interest you really notice. First earn 1.92%, then earn 2.80% APY. That seems a little high to me, but let's read and find out more about it. Okay, earn more money faster. To earn 2.8% APY, meet these 3 requirements in the same calendar month. Make at least 5 Varo Visa debit card purchases each month and receive a total direct deposits of $1,000 or more in the same calendar month, and keep a savings account balance up to $50,000. You read that right. We have a $50,000 maximum to earn the higher APY, but no minimum balance requirement. Otherwise, enjoy 1.92% APY. See the Varo Savings Account Agreement here. So let's take a look at that. So you see this is effective January 23rd of last month, so it must be pretty new. Varo is a program partner responsible for managing. Now, it is FDIC insured, which is good, and it's through the Bancorp Bank of Wilmington, Delaware. Member of the FDIC. Business days Monday through Friday, excluding holidays. Okay. Balances. The optional Varo Bank balance is available only to citizens and permanent residents in the 50 United States who are at least 18 years old and have a valid Social Security number. To open the savings account, your Varo Bank account must be open and active. So it looks like you have to have a checking account as well. You can't open a standalone high-yield savings account. The agreement and the deposit relationship do not create a fiduciary responsibility. Deposits to savings account. Deposits to the Varo savings account may be made by making one-time transfers from your Varo Bank account by using the mobile app, such as transfers to an online Such transfers are referred to as online transfers and by direct deposits of ACH transfers initiated from an outside financial institution. So you can do an ACH transfer from your bank to their bank as well. By choosing to activate the optional automatic savings feature, you will be authorizing Varo to round up qualifying transactions to make using the Varo Bank account to the nearest whole US dollar, then initiating deposits of those amounts to your savings account. So kind of round up, sort of like an Acorn feature there with the round up, but it rounds up and puts it in your savings account. Withdrawals from your savings account. You may withdraw funds from the Varo savings account by transferring funds to your Varo Bank account using the mobile app or by calling a customer service agent. Federal regulations limit the number of transactions to 6 per statement cycle. Now, that's the same with all online banks, you guys. Any transfers initiated from the Varo savings account to the Varo Bank account after the 6th transfer using the mobile app or by calling will be blocked until the start of the next payment cycle. So, we reserve the right to require 7 days written notice before you withdraw money from your savings account. I don't like that. Again, if you're saving this money as an emergency fund, probably not a problem, right? But if you're going to be taking money in and out of this, could be a problem. Okay. So let's use an example here. It says, how our interest rates stack up for you? A saving with a $1,000 balance. Now, if you were using the the debit card like you're supposed to, at least 5 per month, and putting $1,000 a month in, $1,000 would get you $28 in interest per year. That's pretty darn good. And if you don't, you would get $19 in interest per year. And they compare that to a national average of 0.09%, which I think is actually a little higher than it really is. Your bank should help you. What is an APY? APY is a percentage rate that shows the total amount of interest paid on your account. It's based on the account's interest rate and how often the balance compounds for a 365-day period. Whatever the balance, there's still no monthly fees. That's pretty good. And we talked about the automatic save feature. Okay, so you guys, it's another option out there. When we look at all of the rates going on right now for February of 2020. Now, remember, these rates change, but they've been holding steady pretty much since October, or at least ours have. But you've got a few at 1.7, you've got one at 1.85, and then Varo is by far the leader at this current portion at 1.92%. And it looks like if you use their debit card, you can actually bring that up to 2.8, which is an astoundingly high rate for right now. Now, remember, these rates can change, and certainly, depending on when you're watching this video, you may or may not be able to still get that rate. But I appreciate my viewers. You guys, if you see any rates out there that are better than the going average, I like making these kind of videos to inform people out there of what's available. Because I think making even 0.1% more when you're talking about, saving over time is going to help you save more money. And certainly I'm not going to be one of those guys that goes out, changes banks every other month just to get a 0.1% increase. But it's nice to know what's available out there and to know that there are other options. Online banks are definitely changing the banking world. Ask B of A or Wells Fargo, they'll tell you. Anyway, hope you guys got something out of this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, smash that subscribe button. All right, we'll see you.